Open concept kitchen layouts maximize sightlines and family interaction while keeping cooking, dining, and supervision seamless. Design the layout so circulation paths are at least 3 feet wide between the island and counters to allow simultaneous traffic and food prep without collisions. Prioritize a large island that serves 3 functions: a generous work surface at counter height for prep, an eating overhang with comfortable seating, and integrated storage or appliances such as a dishwasher or warming drawer to reduce steps. When removing interior walls, confirm they are not carrying load by reviewing original plans or hiring a structural engineer. If a wall is structural, replace it with a properly sized beam seated on posts transferred to a new footing, and keep beam depths as shallow as possible to avoid low sightlines. Use continuous flooring materials and color tones from the kitchen into the living area to unify spaces and reduce visual barriers. Prefer durable finishes like porcelain tile or engineered hardwood that handle spills and heavy use. Layer lighting with bright, high CRI task fixtures over prep zones, warm ambient lighting for the dining and living zones, and adjustable accent lighting to create different moods for meal prep or family time. Define functional zones with subtle changes such as a different rug, cabinetry color, or countertop material so the space feels cohesive but intentional without adding walls. Homeowners often underestimate structural requirements and attempt to remove a load-bearing wall without an engineer, which creates safety risks. Always get a structural assessment and drawings before demo. Another common issue is crowding around a small island because seating and prep areas are not dimensioned properly. Solve this by planning at least 2 feet of knee space per seat and keeping aisles at least 3 feet wide. The third frequent concern is poor task lighting and glare that make cooking unsafe and television viewing uncomfortable. Correct this by installing layered lighting with dedicated task fixtures over work surfaces and dimmable ambient lights for the living area. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and explore project ideas for open concept kitchens while we host a discussion community where members share real experiences. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and provide a forum for practical advice and referrals.